What are the various decision variables that are associated with this queuing model or queuing problem? So arrival rates, as just now we have discussed, arrival rates are always expressed usually in queuing model or queuing theory problems. Number of units arriving per hour basis we will be calculating, or we will be taking the arrival rates, the number of units per hour. Similarly, number of service facilities. Just now we have discussed the phases. The number of service facilities are number of phases. The number of service facilities are whether it is a single service facility or multiple service facilities. Say in a petrol bunk, if there are 3 petrol servers, that is a multiple server. Or in a petrol bunk or in a fuel bunk, a fuel service station, only one diesel server is there, one petrol server is there. It is a single server facility, one diesel server and one petrol server. But whereas if there are 3 petrol servers are there and 3 diesel servers are there, then there are multiple service facilities. The number of phases is whether it has to be serviced at one go, then it is a single phase service system, or if it has to be served in multiple. Say if a vehicle is sent for overhauling or maintenance purpose, then vehicle is taken inside, it will be moving from one station to other station, where at each stage the vehicle has to be serviced. Maybe at one stage they will be checking the braking system. At other phase it will be moving on, a carburetor may be serviced. At other place electronic circuit may be checked. At other place it may be water service. At other place some other parameters are checked. Likewise, we have multiple phases. So that is, if it is done at one place, it is a single phase system. If it is done at multiple places, it is a multiple phase system. Similarly, number of servers per facility. In a service station, if there are more servers, we call that as number of servers. Priority discipline. In some cases, in queues, there may be a priority discipline like first come first service basis, or in some places last come first serve basis. Likewise, we can establish the priority. But usually in queuing theory, what we consider is first come first service discipline is followed. Then queue arrangement, how the queues are being arranged, whether it is a single channel arrangement or multiple channel arrangement, or they are coming in one line or they are coming in 2 lines.